Today we are going to go ahead and start with a slip knot and a cast on. First thing you'll need is your yarn. This is just a standard worsted weight yarn. Now what you'll do to make the knot, I'll go really quick the first time. Go around, hold, through. The reason why most people like these is you can make it smaller or bigger, depending on how long you have your tail. So you give it a little bit more of a tail. Go around like this and cross it. So you have that nice little cross there. You'll hold the cross, put the tail end behind it, and pull it through. For the cast on, you just make a nice little hole. You put it on the needle, and then you tighten it a little bit. You still want it to be able to move around freely. So as you can tell, moves freely. Take your finger, make a loop, go through, tighten. You're going to want to make sure there's not too much space between those two, but it's not too tight that you can't move it all around freely. Round, tighten. I'm going to make this 10, so we already have 3 on. Round the finger, tighten. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doesn't matter if they're evenly spaced too much. You don't want too much in between. So see how this one is getting too much in between? That's too much. That'll cause this to be really bulky later. So you just tighten it up a little bit, and there you go. You have cast on your stitches.